Hey tech enthusiasts, ever wondered what makes your wireless internet tick? Today I'm diving into the magic of Wi-Fi technology. Let's break it down. Alright, so what exactly is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Basically, it's a technology that allows devices to connect to the internet without using cables. Super convenient, right? But how does Wi-Fi actually work? Picture this. You've got a Wi-Fi router, which is kinda like the heart of your wireless network. This router is connected to your internet service provider through a wired connection. When the router receives data, it converts it into radio signals. Imagine these signals as invisible waves spreading out in all directions. Now, your devices like smartphones, laptops, or smart TVs are equipped with Wi-Fi receivers. These receivers pick up the radio signals from the router and convert them back into data. Boom! You're online! You might be wondering about the different types of Wi-Fi. Well, there are several standards, denoted by letters like A, B, G, N, AC, and AX. The most current one is Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax. Each new standard offers better speed, efficiency, and capacity. Ever noticed how your Wi-Fi sometimes slows down when many devices are connected? That's because your router is juggling signals between multiple devices. Modern routers, especially Wi-Fi 6 ones, are much better at handling this load. Security is another big part of Wi-Fi. You've heard of WPA2 and WPA3, right? These are security protocols that help keep your network safe from intruders. Always make sure your Wi-Fi is password protected to avoid any unwanted guests. Now let's address range. Wi-Fi signals can only travel so far. Obstacles like walls and floors can weaken them. That's why sometimes you get poor connectivity in certain parts of your home. Solutions like Wi-Fi extenders or mesh networks can help boost coverage. And let's not forget about the future. Wi-Fi tech is evolving rapidly. We're already seeing innovations like Wi-Fi 7 on the horizon, promising even faster and more reliable connections. All right, tech enthusiasts, that's a wrap on Wi-Fi. If you've got any questions or if there's any tech terminology you want me to explain, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one. This is your name, signing off. Stay connected.